ready, and I just giggle every time I put these on. My girls are down here, right? I'm 55, and this year I hope to lose some weight and everything else. I keep saying that. 3 years ago I was 160, now I'm around at 180. I did get up to 199, and I could wear the same cami. So it's pretty wild how these work. Now for me, I also don't wear my band size because I have a lot of real estate. I have anywhere between a 12 to a 14 inch difference on the bust to band difference. So that's where you take your band, where the bra would go across the widest part of the girls when they are supported where they're supposed to be, and for every inch between your bust and band, it's a cup size. Unless if you have like some different scenarios, like maybe you got a lot over here, maybe you have scoliosis or something, but in general that's kind of the bra math. Anyway, so with the ruby ribbon, there are no true cup sizes because this is it gives. Now on the levels 4 and 5, that's the one with the shapewear. I'm wearing our number one style, the Lace Cami in Espresso. This is the only color this cami or the short one, the demi, is available in. So anyway, I put this one on over my head and I had to unravel it. I also can't show you how that works because it's a hot mess. Anyway, I got it down. The gripper is here. The gripper is loose. This is going to eventually go on my hips, but we first want to get the bra in order. Now, for me, right, I'm going to get this up here. All right, booby pockets. Obviously, my girls don't need to go this high because that's not where they are. I will bring this down a little bit, but I'm not going to pull it down. If I pull it down and got the girl, then they're going to be like that. So we're going to pull that up, right? And then you're going to bend down and lift and scoop the girl in. All right, this is my bigger girl. The left girl is way bigger by 1.5 inches. Now I wear 40 just to give me a little bit more room up in here. So 38 is my suggested size. I can also wear 36, and my band is 34. So I lost the tip of this, so it might not measure correctly, but we're going to kind of get the idea. If you do not have a measuring tape like this, but you got string that does not give and something hard like like the tape measures or a ruler, you can take that and do that. So anyway, we're going to go over here. So it says around like a 33.5. Again, I'm missing part of that, but I would round up to a 34 because there's no odd sizes in bras. Okay, and this one is saying like 47 because we're going across here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you too. You want this up higher in the back, and that's good. But if I wanted to, if say I needed to adjust it, this needs to be loose, and then we just kind of wiggle that up. Ooh, just sometimes just a little bit, you can feel the difference, and it makes it smoother. You're probably used to your bra being down here, right? So anyway, but once we get that adjusted, and you can see because this is a 40, has a little bit of extra fabric, but again, depends on how you want it to fit. There are silicone grippers on the hips, so it helps keep it in place, and then underwear up on top. And where were the girls? They were down there, and now they're up here. Anyway, I love these because they wick away the sweat, and I'm gonna go play in the yard because that's what I've been doing lately. That's been my big thing. Today I have a little bit more separation because, again, this is a 40, so there's extra material. I wore this the other day. You let them rest at least a day, so you want to get 2 or more. And if you're getting colors like these, okay, this one, like I said, is the only one in the espresso, and we have the short one, the demi-ette. It's also available in black, white, and pale is our number one color. So when you buy 2 or more of our essential collection, and it's not just this, there's like a whole slew of them, you can save 10%. And if it's the first time that you're purchasing Ruby Ribbon, talk to me or the stylist who's sharing this with you, because we have a coupon code that you can use. You can only use one coupon code on our website. That's how it works. So you can save $15 on your first order, $100 or more. So if you just want to try one cami, this one, without any sales or any kind of whatever, it's $89. Okay, before you like freak out, my bras used to cost well over $100, and you're probably maybe used to paying like $10 at Walmart or Target for something. But okay, I'm getting the same lift with no underwires. There's nothing on the sides here except for these release points. So when I'm going up and down the scale, I have been 160 and 199, and I'm around 180, I think, or maybe in the 170s, hopefully. It still works for me. Everyone is different. There are some people, they can lose 7 pounds and need a different size depending on your body. But for the most part, most women can wear multiple sizes. And sometimes it's still the same size. Anyway, I got that fluff. If I was wearing the 38, which is suggested for me, it would slim me a little bit more. It also would be more up against my skin. So if it rolls up like a Venetian blind and it was hard to get on, it's probably too small. If it's kind of creeping up and stuff and it's roomy here, then it's probably a little bit big, especially if you got that extra fabric. But again, you know what you can do? We have some amazing bottoms or even leggings that you can put on top and it helps hold it in. When I wear our shaping bottoms and stuff like that, I feel like I should be wearing a cape. Anyway, I think this is cute. I have worn these as outerwear. Everyone's gonna have a different confidence level, but I also help women ditch their bras. And I don't like to be hot, I like to be comfortable and confident, and I can't get over that. Anyway, because when it's a smaller size or when I've put it on after not wearing it for a while, it's a little bit snugger. But most women, this, like, I've seen it like that. And I'm like, you have two perky boobs. Some girls, they feel like their boobs are back to their 20s again, and they're like my age. Everyone's gonna fit these different, but I love them and I can't stop sharing about them.